So in this new strategy, I've talked about mobilization being a key theme. The other key
Mhm.
theme for us is working more with partners, partners like AFC, partners like DFC, commercial investors. Now, to be able to do that, you need to streamline your process. You need to think about optimizing how you do due diligence. So rather than all of us, for example, investing in a power plant, rather than having six capital providers doing separate due diligence on a particular client, why don't we sit down and work together and see where we can be collaborative, where we can actually be more streamlined to reduce cost, but also reduce duplication. So I would say with the theme around partnership, it creates more opportunity for us to be collaborative as capital providers on the continent. And also, in this new strategy period, we are committing 25% of our capital into what we call frontier markets. So these are the least developed countries, countries that receive very little capital for the population that exists in these markets. So something we therefore need to do alongside our partners is to be very proportionate in the type of due diligence and the expectations we have of companies in these markets who are not going to be very mature in terms of our expectation of requirements for us. So that proportionalization or being proportional is something that, again, is something that we are looking at within our investment process. Key thing here is really how do we get capital to work as efficient as possible whilst creating that development impact in the markets we invest in?